Architecture has constantly evolved throughout history, adapting to the needs of society and the challenges of the environment. In recent decades, there has been growing concern about the environmental impact of buildings, which has driven the search for more sustainable alternatives. In this context, eco-architecture has emerged, a movement that promotes harmony between buildings and the environment, reducing the ecological footprint without sacrificing functionality or aesthetics. What is eco-architecture? Eco-architecture, also known as sustainable or green architecture, is a discipline that seeks to design and construct buildings that are respectful of the natural environment. Its main goal is to minimize resource consumption and waste generation throughout the building's life cycle, from construction to use and eventual demolition. This philosophy relies on the use of eco-friendly materials, clean technologies, and energy-efficient strategies, integrating buildings harmoniously with their surroundings while considering environmental, social, and economic factors. More than just an architectural style, eco-architecture represents a comprehensive approach that aims to balance human needs with the preservation of ecosystems. Each project under this approach analyzes climate conditions, solar orientation, natural ventilation, and the use of renewable energy, among other aspects, to create healthy, comfortable, and environmentally responsible spaces. Fundamental principles of eco-architecture. Eco-architecture is guided by a series of principles that direct decisions throughout the design and construction process. One of its key pillars is energy efficiency, which involves minimizing energy consumption through passive and active systems, such as maximizing natural light and incorporating solar panels. Another essential principle is the use of sustainable materials, meaning those with a low environmental footprint that are recyclable, reusable, or sourced from renewable origins. Additionally, priority is given to using local resources to reduce emissions associated with transportation. Responsible water management is also crucial, promoting rainwater harvesting systems, grey water recycling, and technologies that reduce daily water consumption. Likewise, eco-architecture seeks integration with the environment, respecting biodiversity, and adapting constructions to the local climate and geography, avoiding unnecessary alterations to the natural landscape. Advantages of eco-architecture. Implementing eco-architecture offers numerous benefits for both users and the environment. One of the most notable advantages is long-term cost savings thanks to energy efficiency, which lowers expenses for heating, cooling, and lighting. Furthermore, the use of durable, low-maintenance materials reduces repair and replacement costs. On the other hand, sustainable buildings provide greater comfort and quality of life by enhancing natural ventilation, daylight entry, and connection with green spaces. These conditions have a positive impact on the physical and mental health of the people who live in or use these spaces. In environmental terms, eco-architecture helps mitigate climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and decreasing the consumption of non-renewable resources.